Hello, I am Nathaniel Castle,
I'm Abigail Tyler.
And I'm Anna Swanson.
and this is our presentation, Down the Rabbit Hole, about rabbits and hares. What kind of animals are rabbits? Rabbits are a type of animal called a lagomorph. Lagomorphs are small, furry animals with four limbs. They only eat plants, and instead of little pads on the ends of their feet, they have fur all over, just like that guy there. Lagomorphs are closely related to rodents. Lagomorphs have two incisors, but rodents actually have four of them. Rodents eat plants and meat instead of just plants like the lagomorphs do. And together, the rodents and the lagomorphs make up a family called the gliers. Gliers have teeth that keep growing for their entire lives. So that's both the rodents and the lagomorphs.
So there are many different types of rabbits. You can have cold climate rabbits and hot climate rabbits. The cold climate rabbits are going to be a little bit more fluffy and they're going to probably have white fur, while the hot climate rabbits are going to be a little less fluffy with large ears and brown fur. You can also have large rabbits and small rabbits like the Flemish giant or the Netherland dwarf rabbit. And lastly, you can have either like pet rabbits, which are domesticated rabbits. Kind of the difference is like a tiger versus a cat, like the Holland Lot. And then you're going to have your wild rabbits, which is your Eastern Cottontail.
So let's talk about the rabbit anatomy that makes rabbits so special. So what makes the rabbit's ears so special? Their ears actually help with their thermoregulation, which means help maintain their body temperature. Rabbits are endothermic, which means they produce their own body heat. And their ears are filled with tiny blood vessels that will contract in the cold and keep the heat in. And on hot days, they will expand and release heat from these blood vessels. So in cold environments, your rabbits are going to have smaller ears. So there's less surface area for heat to be released. And in warm environments, your rabbits are going to have larger ears. And what makes their fur so special? So there's actually a couple functions. The first one is camouflage. So pause the video and try to find the rabbit. Okay, there it is, hiding in front of the rock. Okay, try to find the rabbit in this one. Here's a desert scene. Try to find the rabbit in this one. And then this is the last environment. And where is the rabbit? So another thing about rabbit fur is that it is used for insulation to keep the body heat in. So there are three types of hairs. You have the guide hairs, which are the long coarse hairs. And then you have the guard hairs, which surround the guide hairs just to make them more, it kind of seals in their coat and protects them from the elements. And then you have the down hairs, which are the thin hairs closest to the body. And that's what really keeps the heat in and insulates them. So why are their legs so special? So the shape of their legs means that instead of walking like we would normally imagine a four-legged animal would, rabbits have to hop around. But they also run really fast to escape predators, kind of like a dog would. So speeds have been recorded up to 50 miles an hour for rabbits, and one single leap has been recorded as long as 10 feet. So in the video, you can see the rabbit hopping around and running really fast. Their back legs, they will jump off their back legs and land on their strong front legs.
Okay, so to end this presentation off, we're going to talk about some fun facts about rabbits. Rabbits are social creatures that live in tunnels and holes underground called warrens. When rabbits are happy, they chatter their teeth to kind of make a purring noise. Also, baby rabbits are called kittens. And while this sounds like a dream, it's actually reality. There's a bunny island. It's a small island in Japan where there's over 1,000 rabbits who roam freely on the island. And lastly, rabbits can rotate their ears 180 degrees to pinpoint the location of a particular sound. Thank you so much for listening to us, and you guys have a great day.